Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to navigate revid.ai interface. So I will just tap on my account and officially logged in. So the navigate the revid AI interface effectively. So you can just follow these structure steps and tips. So I will just tap on which is you will see the left is a home icon. So when I just tap on the top is plus, and here is the interface basically. So you can just create a new video. You can just select the all this if you want to short video generator, and if you want to add caption to videos, if you want to YouTube long to shorts, you can just music to videos, audios to videos, and article to videos. So basically this is the interface you can just use. And if you want to add captions, and select the add captions to video tools, and you can also upload your video files, and Revit will process it for captioning. You can also uploading audio automatically. So here is the all you can just AI TikTok video generator. It will also use your you can use your video script. If you have, you can just type in a story model, and it will automatically generate a script. So from the next you will just customize your if you have media uploaded, so you can just choose a generation preset of enemy. If you like to this one cartoon style or pro models. So pro model you will just have to purchase the plan of it. You will just upgrade the version of revid.ai, and from here you will just select the voices. You can record your own voices, and if you want to female voices, you can just select the Jessica. I will just show you.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the sunshine.
And if you want to male voice, so you will just select this Brian.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So after this you will just select the audio or generate music. So you can just select it from here audio library, and you can just generate your own music. So after all the settings, you will just tap on this generate video button, so your video will be completed. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.